Hi there, this is our Stankoimport IM63 lathe. Good old strong Russian lathe, really wide in the bed, super heavy, ideal for heavy work. Only things I noticed with this one is it's got a bit of bed wear, and the wee rapid button can occasionally stick, and the light's not working, but apart from that it's ticking over nicely. Someone's fitted a chuck guard to it with an electrical safety switch on it. Got the coolant system there. You won't be able to hear the pump running, because I need the motor running, but the pump's working. I haven't tried fluid in it. You'll see from the photos the back, etc. It's had a wee bronze repair up here at some stage of its life around that manual oil pump setup. So yeah, let's just run through it. The carriage itself, it's good to move and cross, feels good. There's a bit of movement in that, and the compound feels good too, bit of movement in that as well. The tail stock, I won't be able to lock it here, I'll need a spanner for that, but that's moving in and out nicely. That lock's working, and inside there feels a bit rough. I'll show you the rapids on it. So basically you've got your joystick here with your rapids. The rapids have got quite a few different features actually. So that's the carriage moving left and right, in and out. It's a bit rumbly there. And also you've got a few other features, but I'll show you one of them, which is that you can rapid the compound slide as well. So that's the compound slide rapidly that way and back towards me, and it's also got some other features there which I won't bother showing you. And also you can feed on those three axes as well, so effectively you could machine a taper, etc. Right, we'll start it up. I've just got it in a low gear there, reverse, forward. So I've got that lead screw running at the moment. I'll do some changes here, changing the speeds. Down, speed it right up, and that's the feed shaft running. I'll run you through the lead screw first though. So I'll engage that, it's going that direction, and I'll change that direction and engage that lead screw, and that's coming towards me now. I'll drive the feed shaft, so the feed shaft's running at the moment, and I'll move that joystick towards me, so the carriage is feeding towards me, feeding away, cross slide, feeding in, and out. And I'll feed that compound slide, so that's feeding that way now, that compound slide, and now feeding towards me. So those are the feeds and the lead screw, etc. And I am in 63 RPM. I won't take you through all the gear range, it'll take me some time. So I'll just choose another one, say 250, I think that's in. Right. Yep, that's in now. So yeah, that's 250. take you down to the next easiest one for me, which will be 25, so slow speed, that's 25. I'll take you to its fastest speed. I'll take you through two of the fast ones. That's 1000. And I'll take you to the fastest speed, which will be 1250. Yeah, that should be 1250. So that's its fastest speed there. And forward. And I'll run you through the reverse. And that's reverse there. I've shut it down now. So that's pretty much it. Super heavy duty, wide, heavy lathe, great for heavy work. It's got the bed wear, but she's all set to go.